Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ramania Putri Maktagusti and I'm from Biomedical Engineering Department.
Hello everyone, my name is Sabrina from Biomedical Engineering.
My name is Nautika Darlia Napawanto and my NAPI number is 502320110 and 50. What is biomedical engineering? Biomedical engineering is a field that combines engineering principles with medical science, aims to create innovative tools and medical devices. Biomedical engineers have been instrumental in building tools to help doctor and nurse in treating patients that suffer diseases. For example, ECCT, cancer cells killing tools.
Here I want to tell you about the definition of cancer and the causes of cancer. First, I want to tell you about what is cancer. Cancer is a group more than 100 different diseases and can develop almost anywhere in the body. Cancer can start almost anywhere in the human body, which is made of trillions of cells. Normally, human cells grow and divide to form new cells as the body needs them. When cells grow old or become damaged, they die and new cells take their place. Next, let's discuss about another definition of cancer. Cancer is a large group of diseases. It can start in almost any organ or tissue of the body when abnormal cells grow uncontrollably. Second, cancer is the second leading cause of death globally and accounting for an estimated 9.6 million deaths in 2018. Third, burden continues to grow globally. The cancer burden continues to grow globally, exerting tremendous physical, emotional, and financial strain on individuals, families, communities, and health systems. Next, how cancer begins? It's because cells grow out of control and invade, then destroy normal tissue. When cancer develops, however, this orderly process breaks down. As cells become more and more normal, old or damaged cells survive when they should die. A new cell forms when they are not needed. These extra cells can divide without stopping and may grow called tumor. So here's the other cause of cancer. First is smoking. Smoking are worse than either one alone because they are tobacco that cause more damage to cells in the body. Second is heavy alcohol consumption. This is because there's an ethanol or other substance that can be damaging to our body. Third is poor nutrition. People with cancer are very vulnerable. Their immune system is weak. If good nutrition is not followed, malnutrition will occur. Nutrition that needed is like fulfilling status, calories needs, protein requirements, and fat requirements. 4. Physical inactivity. You probably know that being active can help keep your heart healthy, and the good news is that it can also reduce your risk of cancer. We have strong evidence that being inactive reduces the risk of cancer.
Based on the registration report at Dr. Sarjito General Hospital for the period March 2019, containing data on patients diagnosed with cancer in period 2008 until 2015 who had been reported. So this is the chart of distribution of cancer cases per year. From a total data of 14,507 cancer data, there were 62.8% female and 37.2% male. The highest number of cancer sufferers from 2008 until 2015 was in 2014. Then, this is data chart of top 10 cancer diagnoses. Based on preliminary cancer diagnosis data, the distribution of the 10 largest diagnoses was breast cancer with 2,569 cases, followed by cervical cancer and colorectal cancer, nasopharyngeal cancer, ovarian cancer, non-Hodgkin lymphoma cancer, myeloid leukemia, lymphoid leukemia, skin cancer, and thyroid cancer. Then from the two graphic data, it shows the most common cancer type on male is nasopharyngeal cancer and the most common cancer type for female is breast cancer. This data shows the age data that is vulnerable to cancer. And the age data that is most vulnerable to cancer is age above 70 years old. So that the cancer to be one of the diseases with the highest risk of death. Therefore, many biomedical engineering experts create tools to treat cancer, such as ECCT.
Do you know what is EECT? EECT is electrocooperative cancer therapy. It's a method for treating cancer using a low intensity and low frequency source of electrostatic wave that generates electric polarization. This technology is invented for the first time by Dr. Warsito Taruno and the team in CTech Labs. This is the mammogram and photograph of the breast cancer during the EECT treatment. The ECT is basically the technique to generate such electric field from non-contact capacitive electrodes placed surrounding the location of the tumor with the right frequency and the right intensity to interfere the process of cell division and eventually destroy the cancer cell. With its low frequency and low intensity, ECT is essentially safe and relatively no side effects and no harm to normal cells. The next question is how to remove the dead cancer cells. This is the picture of the modeling of ECT. So actually, the dead cancer cells contain 70% of water, 20% of protein, and the rest is gas. So, if the metabolism of the patient is normal, the dead cancer cells can be easily absorbed by the blood and discharged through urine, feces, or sweat. So, the effectiveness of the treatment to completely kill the cancer cell will depend on the ability of the body to absorb and revolve all the dead cells itself. Thank you for all your attention. That's all from us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.